I'm excited. Hello, hi, I'm Laura, I'm still French. I'm gonna watch The 100 season 6 episode 5. This is the first time that I'm filming in my new apartment, so I make some tests for where I'm gonna put my camera. It seems to be the good way of filming. Tell me if you like it or not, if there is enough light or not. Tell me, what do you think about this new place to film those reaction videos? About the last episode was really great, I said during the trailer that I needed this new season to bring me from anxiety to excitement again, and that's it. I'm all in, I'm all involved in this show again. It's really exciting, this new world. You know, during season 5, they were just redoing what already worked on the last seasons. So this new season, this season 6, it's all new and all good, really. The storylines about the new world and the red sun, about the primes and the flames of the primes, about the children of Gabriel and the resistance that can be in this village. I think there is something behind that also. It's really all the storylines about this new world, about all of that are really great. I can't say the same for all of the characters. I think that they are really making good stuff with the storylines about this new world, but with the storylines about the characters, for now, it's not as good as it can be as it was for some seasons ago. I'm really angry with the storylines about Raven and Octavia. It's really like you're trying your best to to make them unhappy and sad, and I'm tired of that. I'm tired of every man or every person around Raven and Octavia dying. Like, I have enough about that. Show dying, okay, the actor was leaving the show, but you could do it better than this way, and really, and this little girl dying just after being protected by Octavia. Again, someone is dying around Octavia. Nothing new right there, and really nothing good for those characters, for the development of those characters. I don't like that. You can do better with Octavia. She's a warrior, okay, she's cold out now, okay, we've got it. Do something new with her, please. I know that she can change and she can't be the girl that she was during the season 1. She's not this innocent girl anymore, but I'm tired of just Octavia is a cold heart warrior. Please, she's more than that. And it's the same for Raven. Like, you are trying to make us hate her because she's arguing with Clark. I don't know what you are trying to do with Raven this season, but I don't like that. And for the rest of the characters, it's okay, it's well written. Like, Clark now, it's gonna be epic, I think, and it's great to see her happy, to see her with a man and be happy with him. On the last episode, I mean. To see her imagine a new place where she can be happy with Maddie. I like that about Clark. Iko, even if you know I didn't like Iko during season 5 because they were really like trying to force us to like her, but they were not giving anything to us to like her during season 5. Maybe they learned their lesson, and this season they are giving us something that we can like about Iko, at least understand her, and it's way better, I think. But I still don't ship and don't understand her couple with Bellamy. Really, I don't understand that. Like, when I see them kissing, I'm like, no, I see more chemistry, more complicity, more alchemy, more when Clarke and Bellamy are hugging than when Bellamy and Iko are kissing. Really, it's like he's in pain. I don't know if you feel the same. I know that I'm a Bellarke shipper, but even if I was not, when they are around each other, they are not close to each other. Like, I don't see it. I'm sorry. Bellamy leaving Octavia outside the... I can't talk about that without being angry, because really it means nonsense for me. Okay, there is a time jump. Okay, she left him on the pig, on the arena thing, but the main goal of his character was to protect his sister during those 4 years, those 4 seasons that we saw. Okay, he didn't reconnect with her during season 5, but you can't just leave her outside. It's really for his characters. For his character, it means nonsense. Really, it's really like you're trying to erase what is about his character for seasons now, just like that. And as viewers, we can't understand that, because if you are rooting for one thing during 4 seasons, you can't break it out during half one. You can't. I'm not gonna believe in that after believing on his character and on what is about his character during 4 seasons, during 5 seasons. I'm not okay with that. I'm speaking too much. I'm gonna hate myself during the editing of this video, because I'm gonna be like, girl, you talked during 30 minutes. Like, the editing of me speaking on the introduction and on the conclusion, it's way more longer and harder than the editing during the episode. Really. You know what? Me speaking a lot about this show, even if for some parts I'm angry with this show, speaking with this passion about this show, it really means that I'm back with it. I'm back with the 100, I'm all in it. I can't lie to myself. Like, I can't lie that I'm falling for Bellarke again, even if before each episode I'm saying to myself, no, this is a bait, you're not a fool, you're not gonna fall in it again, please. And at each scene with Bellamy and Clarke, I'm like, I can't help myself with that, and I'm not even trying to lie about that. I'm falling again for Bellarke, and I'm falling again with this show. I'm all in. That's it. I have to stop talking! Okay, oh, I have to warn you, because I just moved in a new apartment, I carried a lot of boxes, so I've got a lot of bruises. I don't know if you can see it, but it's because I have thin skin, so don't worry about me. It's really just because of I carried a lot of boxes. Let's go. My main concern about these flames of the primes, it's about Clarke. Where is Clarke right now? Is she trapped in her own mind? Where is she? I'm scared about that.
But Jade returned with your family.
Oh, thank God.
Ooh,
That's ridiculous.
that's a lot of persons. Everyone.
You took the word of a stranger over me? Josephine? Surprise.
Eliza, you are playing so well.
Father's protecting Sanctum from you.
What?
Here's just the last space I signed for right now. I know we have a lot to discuss. And right now, I want to have a shower. I'm the city of stress.
What was that? So Josephine is a little crazy? What? This is Strawberry? It's a French song. I was not expecting that on the 100. It's really like breaking my heart that this is not the real Clarke who is enjoying herself. Clarke deserves it. Huh? She's speaking French?
Hey, her family was afraid that you'd
Her
find
eyes, her
That's why I gave my
voice sound
nice.
so different.
That's what you're going to find out. Oh, no way. Josie, did you ask them nicely? Maybe they were telling the truth.
Off the universe of the blood.
How old are you, Josephine? You're acting like a little girl.
Consent is key. Blah-de-blah. Tell me something. Did this Ferrari I'm wearing consent to giving up her body?
If they find out who killed Clarke, they will burn this world down. Just like the last one.
You killed Clarke? No! Where is Clarke?
Yesterday she told me her favorite flowers were calla lilies. Calla lilies are nice. I'm serious.
Shut up!
Something
You
happened.
too, listen to
She
him.
doesn't even know me.
Don't fall in it.
John Murphy.
Check.
Clarke.
What?
Oh, can I please go to school today? I don't see why not.
What?
We talked about this. Oh, I mean, he took a buy a slice.
Ah,
Everything okay?
she doesn't understand it.
Fine. Let's get you to school. Clarke, chill out. She'll be fine.
Chill out.
Yes?
What?
Nothing. Happiness looks good on you.
Oh.
Calling the doctor.
Killian. Yeah. Let's just say it'll be a while until he recovers.
Yes, you don't recognize her. He talked
Thank you for changing.
to her about the doctor. No, I'm not gonna fall in it again.
Please return. This is a song.
Hello? Anybody to understand that really? Ask you the right questions. Ooh, what was that? What? That was on the trailer.
The harder you fight, the faster you die.
Ah! I don't know how to say it in English. C'est comme des sables mouvants.
Propaganda on the eugenics project. Purifying the bloodline. And you thought what we did in Becca's lab was bad?
She wrote it.
Monster.
Ooh!
Visionary? I'm writing with your right hand.
Yes, Clarke is a left hand.
Clarke, are you feeling okay? Roses being offered to the woods. All of you are welcome.
Thank you.
What? Offering to the woods? They are not really asking any questions about anything that happened.
Come on.
Come on!
Wonder if he is kind of cute.
What? No. I want her to be like that with Bellamy. If we have a Clarke who is not a Clarke, I want her to flirt with Bellamy, not Murphy.
How are you doing? What you would have done, the year before Prime Fire anyway. Heart over head. That was my favorite.
Ooh, the you before Profile. Thank you, Jordan. Thank you. The real you.
Mark and Flame, they're all commanders.
No.
Bringing room attached to a crypt. Really?
Yes, please. Understand it.
This was Delilah. We should kill that girl. Think we should watch someone die?
Okay, so you're Gabriel, but you're Gabriel
What
older.
happened to your face?
So you were the one who created the flames of the primes?
Spent the last 25 years trying to bring it back.
That's brilliant.
No, that's immortality in such a wrong way. You are killing people to have immortality.
Grandpa.
If Gabriel created the primes, why is he now the resistance against the primes?
They're immortal. They're murderers.
Yes, yes, yes!
It's not murder if they go willingly.
Clark didn't go willingly.
Willing to you?
I just don't think they pose a threat to us, that's all.
They pose a threat to you. You're a Nightblood. And based on what we just saw.
Please, understand it! She's not Clark!
I have to get her before they find out what she is.
Oh, no, 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 no.
I'll go with you.
I'm sorry I doubted you.
Thank you for that.
You know that the more you struggle, the deeper you sink. You can't help it.
Stop trying.
Ooh, somebody behind that?
You will as soon as I give up this gun.
She's the
I
best.
need to know.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What?
Do you want to die?
Thank you.
A part of her wants to die. I don't think she wants to die. I think she doesn't want to live. It's not the same. She was right. She's the best. She's not Hitler.
They got me into the lab. They
Hmm.
know everything.
Mm. Not everything, because they don't ask themselves the right questions.
Nighthawks wasn't the only Nightblood. I agree with John. I don't like who they are.
You're calling him John?
They need them to survive. But she's happy, Jordan. She wants you to know that.
No, she's not. She's dead or she's trapped in her own mind, but she can't be happy with that. I want to see where is the real Clark. I'm worried about her.
Their world works. We destroyed ours.
Clean flashback. Unreflector.
I'm sorry. Can you repeat that last phrase? Sounds like flashback means flashback. So is it dream?
Ta-da!
Morgan.
No! No, 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 no.
Josephine Littlewood. Nice to meet you.
So are we playing with our nerves? Yes. What? Oh, the green light? In the trailer, you know, the green light, the green thing. Yes! What? Come on, help her, she's... She thinks she wants to die, but she doesn't want to die. She just doesn't know how to live. What? What was that?
I was just doing which. I envy for a criminal.
Oh, come on! This is not Clark, this is not Clark, this is Josephine.
It's not like you're my time. Why would I leave my home? That's
understand it? Good.
It's uncalled.
Allez, Murphy. Come on, Murphy.
Okay, before you forget, raise your voice thing.
Look, Claude.
Thank you, Captain Obvious.
Clark's dead. My parents killed him.
No, she's not dead. She's trapped
Question is,
somewhere in her own mind. I can't believe that.
World 2.
I'm listening.
Now,
And I'm not buying that either.
innocent lives?
No. This is a trailer. I'm not watching trailer. I'm not gonna watch this trailer. I'm not watching trailer for episodes. I'm watching trailer for seasons, but not for episodes because I want to be surprised by it. I'm not buying the fact that Murphy is gonna betray his group. He's gonna betray them. Because for me, the development of his character is really like, at first, on the first season, he was selfish. He became a part of this group and he likes that. It was hard, but he liked that. And now I think the next level, the next step on the development of his character is gonna be about him being loyal to them, being loyal to his group, and he's gonna save them. It's really like they're gonna make us believe that he can betray them, and at the end he's gonna save them all. I think this is gonna be the case with this storyline, because for me it's not like that anymore, and if he's really doing that, the development of his character, I will not understand it if he's really betraying them. For me, he's gonna make them believe that he can betray his group, but this is a plan, this is a bluff for me. What an episode! It felt really like 1 hour of episode because so many things happened during it. The storylines about the flames, the driver minds of the primes, it's really interesting because it's a new question, it's a new dilemma that the Android is asking to us. Thank God we are over with the good guys, the bad guys. This question, this storyline, this dilemma was all about the Android for seasons, for 5 seasons. That's it, we've got it, and now we can have a new thing to think about, to explore, a new dilemma, a new big question. This immortality thing, it's really interesting, and it's really well done, it's really well written. We are really asking ourselves what is happening, but if this thing means that, so this thing means also that. We are really trying to figure it out. Eliza is doing such a good work with the playing of Josephine Clark. It's really great, just with her eyes, just with her voice, a way of speaking, a way of acting. You can see that this is not the real Clark. Like, how old is she? Because she seems so young when she speaks, when she's acting. She's acting like she's a little girl on one hand, and on the other hand, she's the one who created that thing about the primes being the gods, with the primes being immortal. She wrote that book. You know what I mean? How can she be so young in a way of speaking, of acting, and so clever with what she created right there with the primes and the flames of the primes. I'm not sure of that. But she was not the one who created it at first. Gabriel did it at first. But after that, he was on the resistance. He created the children of Gabriel, the resistance. We're gonna know more about that with the flashbacks, but for now it really felt like he created this flame of Josephine at first because he wanted to save her, he wanted her to be back, but maybe after that he was not okay with that anymore. He was not okay with the fact that they are killing people. Maybe he just wanted to live a life with Josephine, but he was not okay with the fact that they are now gonna be immortals. So maybe it's because of that that they're against each other right now. We'll see about that. I'm really wondering also about where is Clark now. I'm not believing and I'm not buying the fact that she's dead. She can't be dead. Clark is the main character of this show. They can't kill her just like that. I'm not buying that. I'm really like at 99% sure that she's not dead and she's just trapped in her own mind. Like this one time when she was trapped and when she fought with Lexa. Do you remember this thing about when she was on a city, on a modern city, when she was fighting? I think she's trapped in a place like that, but I can't believe that she's dead. The 1% of me who can't imagine that is like, they really killed Clark? If they really killed Clark, I'm not gonna watch this show anymore, really, because they are making good stuff with this season. The storylines about this new world, about the primes, about the children of Gabriel, it's really, really, really great, but they are really, really, really wrong with characters if they are really doing that. But really, it's 1% of me who is believing that. The 99% of me is really like, Clark is just trapped in her own mind. But at first, on the first half of this episode, I was like, woo! Anybody can just asking the right questions. You are not understanding everything that they said, and you are not questioning them about what you didn't understand. You're more clever than that. And it's really, for me, not logical that they didn't question it at first, because we know our guys. Like, for seasons now, they are defending themselves, they are really like skeptical, and they are really like protecting themselves so well and so hard that they can't just trust people just like that. And them being like that on the beginning of this season, just buying everything that is happening and not questioning what they didn't understand, it didn't feel right. It was for the storyline, for the big storyline, it was for the scenario of this show, but it was not logical with our guys, with the characters. Yes, it's really like this year, this season is all about storylines, is all about this new world, the new questions, the new dilemmas, the new things about this world. They are making such a good work with that. They are making such a good job. This is really great. But the characters, they are not so well written. It really felt like the storylines are here and the characters are here. Please, write the characters as well as you wrote the storylines. Please, can you do that? I want you to do that. Yes, it was such a good episode. I'm really like asking myself all about what happened during this episode right now. I'm really trying to figure it out, and for me, when you are like that at the end of one episode of a show, it really means that this is a good show, because you are asking yourself all about it, but also all about what it means. That's great. Okay, so it's all for the 100 for now. That was the first time that I was filming on my new apartment. I hope that the sound is good, that the light is good. Tell me about that. Tell me also about your theory about this episode, about what happened during this episode. I want to know. So this is all for the 100 now, so bye for now. Bye.